Vineet, Seth from Mastercam, and we are in the business of manufacturing. We help manufacturing companies manufacture and manufacture them well. We help them manufacture faster and more accurate. In short, we're in the business of selling CAD/CAM software, and we help empower our customers with technology that helps them produce anything and everything that requires manufacturing with CNC machines. Whether it's the automotive domain, whether it's the white goods domain, whether it's aerospace or defense or space exploration. We help companies do all sorts of manufacture, whether it's small parts or big molds. We've been in this business many years to understand what it takes to be in this business, and Mastercam has been around for more than 35 years now. But what I like about what we're doing today in India is our partnership with CNC Times, whom we have reached out to on more than one occasion, I would say many occasions, to help us with our market outreach programs. Our market outreach programs through CNC have been immensely successful because of many reasons. A few of them, I believe, are because CNC Times is completely an agnostic platform, which makes us feel equal to any other organization that's using the same platform. Mastercam is a very well-known brand already, and how is CNC Times helping us out to further our inroads in the market? Is it allows us a platform on which to form a springboard. It allows us deep access into companies and organizations and people that they have had the experience of working with for so many years. And I've had the privilege of knowing CNC Times and its associates, people within the company for many years now. And they've been truly a delight to work with because we can share ideas, we can throw ideas across the table with each other and discuss the pros and cons of doing something. We generally walk out of the room with a much clearer picture of what we wanted to achieve in the first place with inputs from CNC Times. Also, I think what we have done in the recent past is case studies for our customers, their testimonials. And CNC Times has been brilliant in collating all that information for us, doing that on our behalf. So we point out the customers, we provide them the handshake, and CNC Times produces the entire case study. In short, the association that we have with CNC Times is something that I cherish.